What's up, everyone? This is your reliable company, Appliance Fix Lab, represented by its technician Yevhen from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. The local company Appliance Fix Lab specializes in the repair and maintenance of General Electric appliances. Today it was time to repair a general top-loading washing machine in the Silver Hearts area of Winnipeg. Reason for the service call: the washer is leaking at the end of the cycle. I am starting the diagnostics. According to the owner, a puddle of water from under the washing machine every time at the end of the washing cycle. I am conducting a visual inspection of the General Electric washing machine. I didn't find any obvious signs of a leak. To identify the malfunction, I start a test wash cycle and carefully observe each of its stages. The first thing I noticed is that a small part of the water during filling gets on the outside of the drum and flows down it onto the floor. But the amount of water that spills is very small, and most like the spilled water is simply absorbed into the floor or evaporates under the washing machine. This leak cannot be fixed. It is caused by the design of the General Electric top-loading washing machine. I continue to observe. I set the drain and speed mode. Here is the water when draining water appears under the washing machine. There are no leaks visible from the outside. I tilt the washing machine and conduct a visual inspection of the internal parts. Gotcha! The drain hose of the washing machine is damaged. I start repairing. I dismantle the drain hose and notice that the nature of the damage indicates that the cause of its appearance was an imbalance during the spin process. This could have happened for two reasons: overloading the washing machine with things or faulty shocks absorbing springs. At first glance, the springs are in good condition and not very worn out. Therefore, after consulting with the owner, I decided to replace only the drain hose. I install a new drain hose. I turn on the washing machine for a test cycle and watch carefully. Success! The washing machine works in all modes without leaks. If you don't take into account the amount of water splashing out of the drum due to the fault of the manufacturer, who did not properly check the design of this and similar top-loading washing machines. With this, I say goodbye to you and advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.